Have you ever planned your life and then realizing lahat ng plano mo hindi natuloy? Na-experience nyo na yun, basta pag ganito, ganito. Tapos lahat hindi natutuloy. You know why? God will destroy our plans when He sees that our plans are going to destroy us. But He knows that what you're planning for yourself is going to eventually destroy you. And we all know that. My plan for you is to give you hope and a future and never to harm you. God always has better plans in our lives. And you know what? If He was able to do it for me, the more He can do it for each and every one of you. Because God doesn't have favorites. We are all His children. We all belong to Him. And if He can answer and fulfill my dreams and my prayers, He can do the same thing with you. You cannot tell me na, ano ba yan? Paano pa matutupad yung dream ko, Tony? Diyos ko, gano'n pa kayo. 50 years old na ako. Ano pang dream ang matutupad sa akin? But anything is possible with God. What I'm saying is, your breakthrough is not determined on what age you are right now. Your breakthrough is determined by God and God alone. Because He doesn't have a time frame. If you will only read the success stories of the one who started McDonald's, Microsoft, and everybody else, they didn't become a millionaire or a billionaire at the age of 20, 21. Basta iba-iba yung time frame sa atin ni God.